guys, welcome back for another video. So today's video I'm going to be reviewing this polygel kit from Lanfo. I think that's how you say it. And we're going to go ahead and start the unbox. So this is the instruction manual and it comes with the ingredients, how to remove them, other tips and warnings. And here are the polygels. This is the nude collection. It has 6 15 ml bottles. It does come with slip solution. It's a 30 ml bottle. It comes with a base and a top coat. These are 12 ml bottles. And here's the consistency of the base gel. It is very thin. And the top coat is very thick. And the dual forms are curved, which it doesn't matter to me. I don't mind them. But they are 12 different sizes and there is 120 of them. And they're a nice size and they fit my nails pretty well. And I like that it comes in a case, easy for storage. It comes with a 100-180 grit file. And it does come with the brush as well that has the picker tool on the end, on the other end. Okay, moving on to the swatching. This first one here is a very soft, like dusty pink color, very subtle pink white. And the next one here is like a peachy color, I would say. Apricot. And this is the darkest of them. I don't know what you would describe this as, but it's like maroon maybe. And then here is like a dusty pink. And then here is a soft baby pink. I will say that the color on the bottle does not match the color that's inside, but I don't really care. It doesn't matter to me. It's not a big deal, I should say. And then this last one is like another peach color, a brighter peach color though. And then here are the colors after they are cured. I love this. This is a great base color kit. So I chose the first two, so it's like that light pink color and then that peach color. And I am using the slip solution that came in the kit. I use everything that comes in the kit. I do end up switching the brush at the end, but I'll explain why. You'll see also in the video why. So because I do have to cure the tip of these, I did size up on all of the dual forms. Just to be on the safe side. So I'm gonna do French tips with these. So I started off by putting that white color at the tip of the dual form, and I'm going to smooth out that polygel till about a little more than halfway. And you can already tell this brush, it's very thin. I needed a bigger brush. I did use it for a few of the nails because I was trying to use what came in the kit, but it just wasn't working for me and it was taking up a lot more time than what it would have been. So the brush is not it for me. It was good when I had to like form out the French tip. It was helpful with that, but spreading out the polygel, it was just taking too much time. So I did end up having to add more polygel. I'm used to the lazy girl method. You don't need as much polygel, but with dual forms you do need to add some, enough polygel in there. So all I do when I'm doing it this way, like doing the French tip inside of the dual form, is I just take my brush and start carving out that like U-shaped in the polygel, and then I just smooth it out on either side. and making sure to make that curve like very curvy, if that makes sense. And then I do flash cure that for 10 seconds just so it doesn't move when I add the next color on the cuticle area. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the ring finger here. I added more polygel this time, but I just spread out that polygel, and then once I get to the bottom of that, I do just start rounding off in the middle. I don't know if I'm describing it right, but you guys can see what I'm doing. I just like dip my brush in the middle, and then I just start rounding out the sides. And then I do flip the nail over just to see what it looks like, to make sure that the sides of the tip or not the tip, but the sides are even, and that the inside, the round part is round on the front side. And then once I do have it shaped, I do dip my brush in the slip solution and just clean off that the part that's clear, just so I don't have any of that white that's, you know, once I flash cure it. And then this is the middle finger here. I'm doing a full like nude color. So I just put the polygel inside of the dual form, and then I just spread it out. I mean, the brush wasn't bad, it was just too thin for me. And like too narrow, I don't know. It was more of like a V shape rather than a round tip, like on the bristles. I don't know. But I don't cure this. I put this aside with the other nails. And then I just, you know, wait until I'm finished and then I apply it. So this is not cured yet. Or I don't cure it when I'm finished, like moving it around. But you do want the majority of the polygel in the middle of the nail, because that's where your strength is going to come. So this is the pointer finger. I just did the same thing as I did with the first two nails. This is another French tip nail. But I really enjoyed the consistency of this polygel. I did a review. I will link it down. I'll link it up in the cards or whatever. I will link that video so you guys can go ahead and watch that. I enjoyed this polygel. I really do love this. You guys should go check out they have polygel, gel polish. I believe they have dip powder as well, but I highly recommend this polygel kit, or any of their polygel kits. I do love their polygel. So now we're going to go ahead and adhere these to my nails. So I'm going to put a bead of that nude color, that darker peach color, at the cuticle area, and then I'm going to like spread it up the nail or down the nail. I did make a mistake and I will tell you guys later what that was, but just go ahead and smooth that out, and then you apply it to your nail. And the same with the laser curl method. You put it on your nail, you press down, and then you want to make sure that you wipe away any of the spillage. And then I did cure that for 30 seconds. And I popped off that dual form, and that is what that nail looks like. Yes, it needs to be shaped, but that French tip came out so nice. So moving on to the next nail, this is the ring finger here, or the ring finger nail. There we go. I just do the same thing. I apply the polygel, and then I spread it out. So I did do the same mistake as I do all the time. I always forget to flip the nail over and spread out that polygel underneath. I always do. I did remember to do it on this one. But I think this was the only nail I remembered. I don't know why I forget to do that. And then I did cure these. I did flash cure all of these. I wouldn't say flash cure, but I did cure them all for 30 seconds. And then when I was finished, I did do a full 60-second cure on all the nails. And then this is the pointer finger here. I just do the same thing. This one actually came out the best, I think. The pointer finger, which it usually doesn't. I don't know why. And then here I'm just going in with some of that slip solution on a paper towel and wiping away that tacky layer from the polygel. And this is important that you do this before you file, because it will like gunk up your hand file. So I am using the file that came in the kit, and my only concern was I was filing fine until I realized, like, when I was trying to shape up the nail, it is curved, so I kept messing it up, and I'm like, how do I fix it? But I just kept filing in and tried my best to do it. I don't know if there's a special technique to file curved nails. I'm not sure. So comment down below and tell me, guys. Tell me if you have any like tips on filing curved nails, or if it's the same way and I was just having a rough day. I don't know. But this polygel was super, super soft to file. It was so easy to file. It like took me no time to file these nails. I actually really enjoyed filing. And I don't hate filing. I like seeing the before and after, but this polygel was super easy to file. As you can see on like the French tip nails, there is like a bubble between the white and the nude part. I don't know what I did or didn't do to create, stop that from happening. I don't know what I did. But what I did was just when I added my base coat, I just like put a glob of it in there to make sure that it wouldn't snap off. I don't know what to do to fix that. So again, comment down below, you guys, and tell me what I should do next time. But once I'm finished filing, I do go ahead and buff off the shine off these nails, which I think is key when doing polygel. Some people tell you not to, that you don't have to, but I think it's very important to buff off the nail, buff the shine off of the nail. I'm sorry, guys. My coffee, I can't speak today, I'm sorry. So that's what the nails look like once they're finished, buffed, shaped, and filed. And I'm going to go ahead in with this base coat that came with the kit. The base coat wasn't that bad. It was runny, and I'm used to like a thicker base coat, so it's not too bad. Or it wasn't too bad. It's not one that I would gravitate towards, but I'm not going to throw it out because I have it. But anyways, so I just add a layer of base coat over all the nails. And I will say that my French tips came out amazing. And these colors complement each other very, very well. So this is what the nails look like after the base coat is applied. I'm obsessed already. I could have left it at that and been fine, but I gotta add some bling, some rhinestones. So I'm gonna start off with that middle finger, and I'm applying the top coat, which is very thick, so it did hold the rhinestones very well. So after I apply the top coat, I did have this one ready to go. Some of these are from Amazon, and some of them are from Your Nail Lab's subscription boxes. Baby Girl Nail, her collab with Your Nail Lab, and some of them are from AliExpress. Everything will be linked down below for you guys. But I'm just putting everything in place. And I've been wanting to do like I have a whole bunch of red rhinestones. I've been wanting to use them. But I didn't think it was like a spring summer set, but I was like, whatever, we're just gonna do it since we're out. And I rhinestoned every nail. I just felt like, yeah, I had to, because I don't know, I was feeling it. I was like, after each nail I was like, oh, that's it, we're done. No, let's do one more. All right, I'm done with, no, let's do one more. I don't know, but I just rhinestoned these nails out, and I think it made the set. So this one, I'm just gonna go around the outline of the French tip with the rhinestones, and it's gonna start in the middle at big, and as it goes out they go smaller. I love this rhinestone placement, it's so pretty. And then here I'm going on to the thumb. This is another full nude nail. And I didn't really have this one planned out. I just had these two rhinestones out, or gemstones. And then last minute I figured out, you know, a placement. So I just went really big, and then I started, as they went down or up the nail, whatever, they went small, and then I added this larger rhinestone, and then I just added, you know, smaller rhinestones going up or down the nail, whatever. And this is the set, you guys. Absolutely stunning. So freaking pretty. I 110% recommend this kit for you guys. It's amazing. It is a little expensive, but it's well worth it. You do get a lot of, you know, you get everything you need to do a set. The polygel top, base coat, dual forms, all of that. These rhinestones aren't included, but oh my gosh, you guys, I am obsessed. This set turned out absolutely beautiful. That red was like the perfect touch. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.